In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Gmail layout. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your inbox cleaner, faster to scan, and more comfortable for the way you work. We'll use Gmail's built-in controls in the web version, and I'll point out what each choice actually does so you can pick with confidence. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. This panel slides in on the side and is great because you can preview changes immediately before committing to them. Think of it as your sandbox for trying different looks in seconds. First, adjust your display density. You'll see three options: Default, Comfortable, and Compact. Default shows attachments as icons and gives a bit of breathing room between messages. Comfortable removes some visual extras while keeping spacing relaxed. Compact tightens everything up so more emails fit on the screen at once. If you prefer scanning a lot of subjects quickly, Compact is handy. If you want a calmer, more readable list, Default or Comfortable will feel better. Next, choose your inbox type to control what rises to the top. Default groups messages into tabs like Primary, Social, and Promotions. Important First puts messages. Google flags as important above the rest. Unread First moves anything you haven't opened to the top, which is great for daily triage. Starred First prioritizes messages you've marked with a star. Priority Inbox splits your view into sections like Important, Starred, and everything else. You can switch this in Quick Settings or by going to Settings and then Inbox, and Gmail updates instantly. Try a couple styles and stick with the one that matches how you process mail. If you like reading without leaving the list, turn on a reading pane. In Quick Settings, find Reading pane and choose either right of inbox or below inbox. Gmail may ask you to reload for the change to apply. This layout is especially helpful if you're managing lots of messages and want to preview content quickly. To change the visual feel, click Theme in Quick Settings. Pick from built-in backgrounds or upload your own, then save. A cleaner, high-contrast theme can make subjects and labels easier to read. Finally, streamline your side panels. Click the menu icon in the top left to collapse or expand the left sidebar. For deeper cleanup, go to Settings, then Labels, and hide labels you rarely use. A quick note: the mobile Gmail app has fewer layout options. The full Quick Settings live on the web. Also, some advanced layouts for newsletters or branded templates are only in certain Google Workspace editions. Experiment freely. Everything here is reversible, and your ideal inbox is just a few clicks away.